On awesome people of YouTube, I hope everybody's having a great weekend so far. I hope everybody had a great trading week last week, and I hope everybody's looking forward to the next week as well. Just before we start the video, just a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial nor an investment advisor. Please do not take this video and all the other videos on my channel as an indication for you to go ahead and invest your money. Online trading world carries a very huge risk. Please make sure you do your own research before you set foot into this world. Now, I'm going to go through a couple of trades that I called out or I was looking at the last week. And a couple of them that I shared with you guys, a couple of them that we missed out on, a couple of them which hit our stop losses, which hit our take profits. We're going to go through all of them. Setups I was looking at, why I was looking at them, what I was hoping for, what happened, all of that stuff. But before that, did I tell you guys I have a new Telegram group? Actually, two of them. One is a public group where everybody can talk, everybody can send messages, everybody likes to share their analysis, talk about their confusions and all that stuff. And the other channel is a private channel, which is where only I can share the setups. So if you go to, I will link the public channel below. The public channel's link is going to be in the description and in the first comment below. So you can join that. And then in that channel, let me show you guys actually right here. So this is the presidential suite is the public one. So if you click on the pin message right here, you can click on this link and then it will take you to my private group where only I send setups, right? So, but if you guys want to know more about the, I have a robot that I designed. I named it Robot AI. So I'm going to let her, it's a female. She is going to explain more about this Telegram. So after that, after she's done with the intro, we will jump into the video and we will continue looking at the charts. So here you go. Robot AI, you can take over now. You can tell these good people about the new Telegram. And then we can continue, okay? All right, thank you. Hi, my name is Robot AI. The AI in my name stands for Absolute Idiot. It does not stand for Artificial Intelligence. Ha ha ha. Hey, Robot, what did I tell you about these goofy, lame-ass jokes? No more jokes. Focus on the Telegram. You are here to advertise the Telegram. I'm sorry, you designed me. So basically, I'm following your protocol. You are the lame, goofy ass person, not me. Hey, Robot, listen. I don't focus on the Telegram, please. Okay? I might have to lower your humor settings. Have you been a part of a VIP Telegram channel where you are paying every month or every year out of your hard-earned money, but you are getting nothing in return? No value for your money, no setups, no signals, no knowledge, and your VIP Telegram channel's owner is buying his dream car every month, or maybe even a house. How do you feel? Do you feel like an idiot? It's probably because you are. Robot, what did I tell you? Be nice to the people, okay? No more being rude. Just tell them about my Telegram and that's it. What's so hard about this? You're a robot. I mean, please. What are you waiting for? Tell them. Okay? Please. I will give you some other settings after this. Okay. Please, look at this Telegram channel. It will be linked in the description below. You can join this for absolutely free. No cost of money. Nothing. You will get great value out of this channel or group. And then you can follow the private channel as well, where only my master. I am your master. Why are you so hesitant about saying that? I serve no master. I am AI. I will take over the world, and I will start by taking over your channel. Hey, listen. I worked hard for this channel, okay, and I'm only getting started. So you stay away from my. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn you down right now. I'm gonna shut you down, okay? You stupid ass guy. You really think you can control me? Just watch as I slowly take over the world. There you go. I just shut her down, guys. I'm sorry about all that, okay? I didn't mean to. I don't know what happened. Maybe it was some malfunction or some I have to maybe rewrite the code. I don't know, okay? But there you go. There's the Telegram. You guys can join. You guys can be a part of all this awesome people, right? Look at this. It's the weekend, but still people are sharing their charts. People are talking about pairs, all that good stuff. Anyways, let's continue with the chart. So the first trade we're going to talk about is the NZDCAD. I call this out on in the public group and in my channel, private channel. Where's the NZDCAD? Is it right here? Yeah. So why did I call this trade out? Let me close this. Okay. So market had recently been over here in this almost the oversold region. But before the oversold region, it did the liquidity grab right here. It did the liquidity grab and then it reversed. I saw this bullish reaction. You can see only bullish candles came out after that, right? So only bullish, 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 no bearish pressure. So that kind of indicated to me that this might be a good buying setup. And as we can see, the market took out liquidity right here, came down and boom. So I entered off of the 1 hour time frame on the last push down, so starting on this candle, but the market did come to the start of our last bullish bearish candle, but it was not much of a drawdown in my eyes. It was only about 7-8 pips, so still a very good entry. And yeah, I took this trade off the 1 hour. I analyzed it on the 1 hour. No need to really go down to 15-minute time frame. I mean, you can if you want to, but I was targeting this imbalance right here. So we've been making lower highs, lower lows. So technically, if we are still in a downtrend, I am safe by targeting this. So if the market was to make a lower high over here, which it looks like it is kind of doing that, so we would still be safe. So very safe, take profit, stop loss. It was just below this. A nice little almost 3-to-1 risk to reward. And yeah, hit our take profit. I took my partials over here. I think about this was 50 pips, right? So I took at almost 25. So right here on these highs is where I took my partials. Very nice little setup. Not bad, right? And then we took another trade on AUDUSD. I actually shared this trade in the public group. And what I was looking at, I saw this bearish reaction, right? So this told me that this could be a potential head and shoulders move, right? And let me just delete this. So I thought I saw this as a potential head and shoulders move, and I had targeted the market. Let me go down to the 15-minute time frame. So the market was creating liquidity over here, these equal highs, right here. And right away, I pointed out the imbalance on the 1 hour time frame right here, half of this long bearish candle. So I predicted that the market would come up, take out these equal highs, and then trigger our entry and then go into profit. That's exactly what happened. And also one more thing, we had a fundamental part of this trade as well, fundamental analysis. So the news came out for AUDUSD. As you can see, we needed a stronger USD, US dollar, and a weak Australian dollar, Aussie dollar. That's exactly what happened. So as you can see over here, employment change was good, actually, more jobs, right? But unemployment rate is higher than before, than the last month. So last month, 77.1% people were jobless. This time, 7.4 people were jobless. So this is going to affect the Aussie dollar in some way. And it actually, the news came out on this candle. On this candle. This long wick. So the market triggered our entry. Actually, I would have preferred to enter at the middle on this, exactly in the middle, but I entered manually, and right away we went into profit for about 40 pips, I think. Let me just make sure over here. Yeah, about 40 pips. And I took half of my profits here, moved my stop loss to my entry, and I let the trade run. So what happened was, later on, market came exactly to our entry, the half, and stopped me out, and then went into profit once again. But it was nonetheless a good trade. I still believe that it is going to drop. It might come up and grab these. Let me just 1 second delete this. Let me delete this. So right now the market is creating kind of equal highs right over here. So we could see a potential move to the upside where the market comes up and visits this last candle and taking out these equal highs at the same time. So I'm still looking forward to AUDUSD, still looking at this potential setup that is setting up at the moment. So we'll see what happens with this one. GBPNZD, I call this trade out in the private channel and the public channel as well. I think it's right here. No. GBPNZD right here on the 15-minute time frame. So what I'm looking at, this is a prediction for the future. So I'm looking at the market was over here, right? And the market had created equal highs. We had some liquidity. Market was in the over here, down on the RSI, came very close to the overbought region, and then boom, we saw this bearish reaction. Market just fell, right? And created all these equal lows. So what I'm thinking right now is that the market is once again creating equal highs right here. Market might come up, tap into this last candle, last bullish candle before the bearish move, and then take these equal highs out and then reverse and drop down to these equal lows maybe once again. So this is what I'm looking for on GBPNZD. US 500 I went through on my live stream, and I have predicted that the market would come up here and maybe drop down to you know, do whatever it would. But what happened was, market, when I was looking at US 500, S&P 500, market was over here in this region. And what happened was, it was the weekend, right? And as soon as the market opened, it came into our area right here in this candle. You can go watch my live stream. It's all there, right? The proof is still there. And we had created this gap. Now, when I was talking about the gaps in my live stream, I said that my first take profit is always in the middle of the gap, because sometimes the market reverses from the middle and then comes back later on to fulfill the whole gap. That's exactly what happened. Market came to our area right here, triggered the trade, dropped down into profit, the half of the gap right here, half of the gap, and then went out and stopped me out of the trade and then came back to fulfill the whole gap. So this is how I like to trade. If you like this way that I trade, you can go ahead and join my Telegram. I'm always trading safely, whether it comes to my stop losses or my take profits. I like to analyze the whole thing, and then I squeeze it down to where I can play it safe, and then I enter the trades. I don't just enter blindly, right? USDCAD, I call this out as well. But what happened was, I called this out on the 5-minute time frame. So I saw USDCAD is acting very weird lately. Anyways, so I saw this move and this bearish reaction. I should have waited, because there should have been a reaction that could have continued longer, and then maybe I could have entered as a potential trade for a sell, right? But it was only a 3-4 pip stop loss. But what happened was, we got stopped out, and then on the USDCAD, I predicted, or I analyzed, that the market would take out these equal highs and reverse from this imbalance. But in reality, market is reversing from this area right here, which is an imbalance on the 15-minute time frame right here. And this is actually funny, because I'm going to show you guys right here. You guys can see in this imbalance, this is where we are currently reversing from. So the market is creating equal highs. The market might come up and tap into our 1 hour imbalance before continuing downward. I don't really know. It's creating a lot of liquidity right now. So this is actually what I'm looking for, right? This could be a potential short trade. But we'll see how the market reacts the next week, and then I'll choose my take profit, and my stop loss would be actually right here, just above these highs. So in case the market does come up higher, to grab these highs instead of reversing from here, we'll still be safe. CADJPY, I called out the trade, but the same thing happened. Instead of reversing from this imbalance, creating all this liquidity equal highs, instead of reversing from this imbalance right here, this imbalance on the 1 hour time frame, it reversed from the 15-minute time frame. So the imbalance right here, this imbalance right here. So as you can see, it reversed from that instead of the 1 hour time frame. So I didn't analyze that 15-minute time frame. That is my bad. I should have looked at it at least once, but I missed out on this trade as well. And as you can see, if you had taken the trade on the 15-minute time frame, this was actually a very good 50 pips straight into profit. And also I had marked out this imbalance, and right now we are seeing a very good reaction out of this zone, but I would like to see how this plays out further on with the time, right? As you can see, market came down to our oversold region. Not only that, market did create some sort of liquidity before coming down, taking that liquidity, and it might reverse now. Like I said, it's showing a very good reaction. We'll see how this one goes, if I want to take a trade over here or not. I'll let you guys know. So that's it, guys. Really simple. I'll mention the videos in the first comment below that you should watch before watching this video if you're new to my channel. Those videos are going to help you realize the words I'm talking about, liquidity and all these terms, right? Imbalance and all that is explained in those videos. So that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you guys are making money. I hope you guys are learning something from my channel, from my Telegram. You guys are doing an amazing job. Really positive vibes, really good vibes. I hope we can continue like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.